Puso ay nalumbay ng kaitakan. Kanina pa ako naghihintay ng ano? Ka, ang pag-ibig na binigay sa akin may kapal, niyaya ka sa buhay ko, ligaya't pag-ibig ko ikaw. Ay, wait, may message mo ako? Wala, gusto ko. Ito. Huminto sa bawat oras ng taon, ang pag-ikot ng mundo, ngiti ng puso, aking puso. Wala, hindi siya na-speak. Pinapalabas ko lang. Yung alin. Ano, Hemi? Nagdagdagan na nga eh. Naging 118 na nga eh. Kanina, ano pa lang yan? Dagdagan. Oh yan, 119 na. Puso ay nalumbay ng kaitakan, ngunit ngayon'y nandito. Ano to, isa-isa? Oo. Hanggang sa maging 3-star na ako. 1-star. Ano ba? Eh, malay mo, ano, talo sila ngayon. Diba? Malay mo, ano sila ngayon. Ano tawag na? Alam mo, yun. Naintindihan ko. Saka alam mo, basta naintindihan ko din. Hindi sa lahat ng oras. Hindi pwede. Ano ba yan? Hindi, kasi naintindihan ko naman. Kung ngayon, wala silang bala. Mali mo bukas or sa susunod na araw. Okay lang. Hindi pa naman tapos yung 1 month. Sumayaw ka kasi. Oo, bagsak muna bago sa'yo. Ano yun? Paano ko sasayaw kung wala? Hindi. Bababa nga yung energy ko. Hindi. Kahit walang makto. Hi po. Oo. Nangkok na yung mata ko. Ikaw ba naman? Kasi anong oras ako na natulog kagabi? 4 a.m. Jay. Hemi, connecting ka, Hemi. Pero love. Gabi, wag naman. Wag naman. Wag, ayoko. Against all odds. Oh. How could I just let you away? Kanta daw ako, guys, eh. How can I just let you walk away? Just leave you leave without a trace. When I stand here, taking every breath with you. Oh, you're the only one who really knew me at all. How could you just walk away from me when I can't do what you did? 'Cause we shared the laughter and the pain, and even shared the tears. You're the only one who really knew me at all. Take a look at me now. There's just an empty space, and there's nothing left to remind me. Just a memory of your face. Take a look at me now. There's just an empty space, and just coming back to me is against the odds, and that's what I got to face. I wish I could just make you turn around and see me cry. There's so much I need to say to you, and reasons why. You're the only one who really knew me at all. Get me now. An empty space, but to me, waiting for you is all I can do. Di ko talaga ito galing kabisado. Lagi nag-English na kayo.
Start your day with whole grain fiber and vitamin B. Crunchy Gofre with
Poro
fiber
lang.
cereal.
Hi.
Magsaya lang sa siya. Global karaoke.
Mamaya. Yung I love you so much. Thank you, Je. Ito din. Para to din to sa'yo, Je. There was a time in my life when I opened my eyes and there you are. You were more than a dream, I could reach and I touch your birth, but you know. There is some things that I guess I'll never know. When you love someone, you gotta learn to let them go. When I dream about you, that's when everything's alright. You're in my arms, you're next to me forever. When I dream about you, girl, you never go away. Just close my eyes, they fall on